Right. In business now, 15 minutes after 7 o'clock, and we just got news that Sand has upgraded from a sleigh to a Haval.
That's right.
Welcome back to Sunrise.
Ho, ho, ho. Haval Christmas.
Definitely. Well, guess what? Great Wall Motors Jamaica, GWM, is in studio, the car and all, and to talk holiday deals, upgrades, and how their Hello Tomorrow campaign is giving back in more ways than one. So here to walk us through it, we have the brand sales manager, Titania Clark, and sales rep, Jason Williams. Titania,
Good
Jason,
morning.
welcome to the show.
Good morning.
How are you?
Absolutely amazing. It's good to be here this morning. Not a morning person.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
So we're
But
working.
we're
Yeah.
new car.
No,
We're
yeah,
every
yeah,
time
yeah,
ever.
yeah.
We're energized.
And we wake up. When you can get a car as a gift,
Yeah.
and a morning, afternoon,
Anytime.
midnight.
Anytime you want.
Anytime.
Anytime. So I'm happy to be here. We're happy to be here. You made mention of Great Wall. We're actually a part of the Stewart's Automotive Group brand,
Yes.
which is very important for us to talk about.
Yeah.
So, it's everything that encompasses that,
Yeah.
being a Jamaican brand.
Well, I have experience with one particular GWM vehicle that has taunted me. I have to walk past it every day. I've had to sit in it, and
Which one is that?
I feel
The
like
tank.
the tank came out
The
of it.
tank. Oh.
the tank. I just saw it on TV a while ago, and I'm like, the young people say it's triggering. What is it about the GWM vehicles that have caught the market by storm?
So that is why our slogan is Hello Tomorrow, because it's introducing something that can take you into tomorrow.
Tomorrow, yeah.
You know how the bank loans are long,
Yes.
So if you're gonna buy a vehicle now, we want you to feel comfortable in it 5 years from now.
True.
That is true.
It needs to feel modern 5 years from now.
True.
Because you
True.
spend a lot of time in a vehicle.
Yeah.
So the
You do.
vehicle that you spend time in, you realize,
You want to spend time in
you
it.
want to spend time.
It's really nice.
Yes, there's
Yeah.
space there for you
Yeah.
to spend time in it.
Yes.
And we are committed to building Jamaica in a sustainable way. So
Well,
we're not an overnight thing. It's a long-term
You're in it for the
strategy.
long haul. So I noticed that the Havals are everywhere.
Why, thank you.
In different colors,
Like
in different
everywhere.
Why, thank you.
everywhere.
I
Everybody
don't
has
know.
a Haval.
I don't know what you guys are doing.
Jason, as a good salesman.
Yeah, sell
Everybody
hard, my youth.
has a
Yeah, sell
Haval,
hard.
especially a lot of young people,
Yes.
who are getting cars, and you see them getting with the bows and all of that. So talk to me about the Haval and what makes it a brand that stand out.
So the Haval is a brand that stands out because, again, we're talking about long-term and value for your money.
Yeah.
So it is a brand that builds on what would you like. So there is a vehicle for everybody. So our Haval Jolion City, you're new to the market, you might touch your vehicle 1 and 2 times. You don't want to spend a big budget on it, but it still has features that will get you going.
Yeah.
And then, of course, our Haval 86.
Yes.
Which is our most popular model on the road. And now we have a facelift in studio to show everybody. It's the launching of the Haval 86 facelift. It is for
facelift,
the doctors, the nurses, the young professionals, and even those who are transitioning through their careers that want a nice vehicle but don't want to break the bank on it.
Yeah.
And again, thinking about 5-6 years from now, you want to make sure that your vehicle is still
Yes. Trendy.
trendy,
Yes.
it's nice,
Yes.
and it has all the features that you need, and that is really why you're seeing our vehicles on the road.
Nice.
It gives you that comfort.
So when you say value for your money and not breaking the bank, tell me about the starting
range,
price,
yeah.
the ranges, because I know it will depend on different features.
Correct.
So talk to me about for how much I can, Crystal.
Realistically.
Titania, realistically.
Yeah, man.
Because there's a man right now watching Sunrise.
Listen.
thinking
And what
to buy
time
a
make up in
Haval,
mind?
to buy a Haval for him wife
a
or
Haval,
girlfriend.
a Haval Jolion starts at $5.3 million. So that's $63,000 a month.
Wow.
And then if we go into the GWM Tank 500, it depends. The executives, the George Davis of this world.
The Dennis Brooks of this world.
Brooks of this world.
Yes.
You have to think about a $15 million. Now, if you think about the competition and the size of a Tank 500,
Yeah, that's
It does.
50 million for that big vehicle?
yes, that is why we're saying you're not breaking the bank.
Okay, the Ian Wilkinsons of this world.
You could have buy one.
Shameless,
You could have buy
plug.
one.
Not bad.
That not bad.
You could have buy one.
That not bad.
Hi, honey.
You
And,
could
and then
have
the
buy one.
Haval 86 starts at a 2-wheel drive 7.7 and a 4-wheel drive 8.2. So if you think about the competition and what we are priced right.
Wow.
Jason, one of the things I like about the H6, and I don't know if it's this particular facelift, but you know, some of the vehicles, you look on it and you say, yeah, man, a nice lady car. You know, but like some of the time the car have a little aggressive look what make you say,
I'm a man car.
A man car that.
Yeah.
But you know, but I don't know, both women and men would like this car, but I know that you look at this car, I look at this car and I'm like, yeah, would I drive it? Because
Yeah.
it have a little aggression to it. It have a little
Yeah.
aggression
Aggressive
to it.
softness.
Yeah.
Describe it as handsome.
Okay, yeah,
So
okay.
the car actually has some strong features, big haunches, and it's a
Oh, you have to turn around, Jason.
I have
You
to
have
turn-
yeah,
I'm-
yes, that is it.
I'm
Yes.
here, right?
Good.
Okay. So our vehicles have presence, right? The lights, the front grille, the new facelift has a very, very strong front grille, wide. When you look back in the rear view mirror and see that, you kind of want to go to the side.
Oh,
you
wow.
know? Yeah. So that we're very proud about that.
So can we go in there to see?
Yes,
Can we go
ma'am.
around?
You see how
Let's
him
what's
open the door? It's a light. It's a
Yeah.
heavy door.
Yeah.
Because safety is a big part of what we do.
Right. So
Very
all
well.
our vehicles are 5-star ANCAP crash rated
What does that
vehicles.
mean?
So ANCAP is the division that
First of all, I like the
tests
smell.
crash ratings on our vehicles, and all are 5-star, the highest possible rating.
Wow.
Right? Yes.
How many seats this one?
This is a 5-seater.
A 5-seater. All right, I love it. Tell me some of the other specs because I see a big screen in there.
A huge screen. So new for the facelift, we have a refreshed dashboard with that huge screen that everybody loves.
Yeah.
Yes, wireless charging and a very minimalistic.
Is this a wireless charger right
Yes,
here?
it
Yes,
is.
it is.
Wow.
Very
Okay.
minimalistic design, right? But still luxurious.
Nice.
Right?
So I'd like to do a quick shameless plug. So I said I'm the manager, right? But I'm at Stewart's. So I will say the new facelift have a little Mercedes feature of changing your gear shift.
Yes.
And I can call that brand name because it's under our group, right?
Absolutely.
So your gear shifter is now on the
Superstar.
right-hand side, Dennis, the top right, almost like if you were indicating. Oh. That's where the gear shifter is.
Oh, wow.
Yes. So you hear we said hello tomorrow.
But I shift it too much, Dennis. Remember we in here. Do
So
me a beg
you go up for reverse.
Correct.
Oh, that's
Neutral,
cool.
Yes.
drive. So park is the button.
The button
Park is the
park.
button. Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So if you think about it, ideally, that's the experience you're getting.
Wow. Okay. So let me just ask now. So somebody wanting to come and view this facelift,
Yes.
or the tank, or whichever other brand you carry under the GWM brand,
Yes.
where do we come?
For now, you come to 49.5 South Camp Road, and when you visit 49.5 South Camp Road, that's where the Suzuki showroom is. You will realize when you look to the right that we're building a brand new showroom for Great Wall, which will be one of the largest showrooms in the island, and we're proud of that. So for now, come down to 49.5 South Camp Road. The entire South Camp Road belongs to Stewart
I know.
Automotive Group. You can't miss us from Arthur Wind coming down.
Yeah, I know.
Somebody should know.
I know. Good morning, Dougie.
Dougie.
Say good morning to Dougie. Love Dougie so much. Oh my
Okay,
goodness.
right?
Everybody don't buy Stewart.
So
yes.
come on down. We're right beside Suzuki, but eventually, very, very soon, less than 3 months' time, you'll see us in our new showroom, and you have a special invitation.
Oh, very well.
And Dennis, you have a special invitation.
I
Yes,
will take
yes,
him with
but-
me.
Yes.
Yes, to get tanked.
And so you got the Apple CarPlay and the Android Auto.
They're
Absolutely.
wireless.
Wireless.
Yes.
Wireless. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So you got that. Tell us a little bit more about this wide display that you have. I quite like it, and I like this very strong steering wheel.
So, as per most modern cars these days, sir, most of our features are available in the display. What we're extremely proud about is actually our camera system. I wish I could show you now, but we have one of the best 360 cameras in the business.
Oh, wow.
Right? So what that means is that you can see every angle from a wide angle lens on cameras that are located around the vehicle. This is a hard vehicle to crash.
Wow. Because
Right.
you have sensors all around.
All around. You're
Okay.
seeing everything. And once the sensor sense something, it will redirect the screen to that. So you're now looking at it from whatever
So
angle
you're
it is.
seeing
You're
what it
seeing
is.
what you're about to
So,
hit.
because in some cars you hear the noise, but
Yes.
you don't know what you may be near to.
And then this screen, you cannot miss anything, right? Because
Anything.
we're looking at, yeah.
Love it,
So
love
that's
it,
what
love
I
it.
love about it.
Activate
Talk
the
to me.
360 camera.
Okay,
Activate
yes.
the 360 camera, Jason.
Activate the 360
Oh,
camera.
wow.
Okay, wait. So we're here.
Oh, wow.
Look
Clean.
at that.
Yes.
Whoa.
That man.
Whoa.
And we also have intelligent parking, so the vehicle will park itself. in
The vehicle
certain-
will park
The
itself?
vehicle will park itself in certain situations.
Oh,
yes.
wow.
Okay.
That's
all right.
turned.
That's.
I love it for us. I love
So
that.
2D,
But I
3D
know that
view
not only are you,
around here. So
you know,
if this door was
having the
closed.
best, some of the best cars and
Yes.
brands, but you're also
Right?
giving
So
back.
if you were
We're giving back in a
reversing
big
and
way.
close to
So
the
we're
back,
giving
it
back
would
through our
redistribute-
foundation, the
it would
Richard
go
and
back
Diana Stewart
and show you
Foundation.
around.
And what we have
Exactly.
done as a group is that for every purchase
the
of a
quality
vehicle
of
this
this
Christmas,
360
we're
camera
giving
is,
$100,000 from that
I think,
purchase
the best.
Wow.
to the foundation
Right, that's-
so that we
that's-
can
yeah.
continue to contribute. We've already given over 35 million. I know the directors have worked with you, Mrs.
Yes, Miss
Wilkins.
Kitty and
Yeah,
friends,
yes,
yes.
Miss Kitty and friends.
Yes.
I know they were with you last week.
Absolutely, with Honeybun down in Westmoreland.
Doing the big
It was
things.
amazing. Good morning to Christina.
Yes.
Good morning to Amanda. Good morning to the entire team Efficacious, you know. Really great. So you're saying, Titania,
We're
that
committed.
everybody who buys a new vehicle, from when till when? $100,000?
From now until March next year,
Yeah.
$100,000. And what we are committing
Wow.
to, we are not just saying it, we're doing it.
Yeah.
And you will, if you follow all our social media pages, you will see our contributions. We're not just selling you cars. We're
Yeah.
selling you an experience. We're selling you a family. Since
Yeah.
1938, Stewart's has been a part of the Jamaican household, and we will continue to be a part of Jamaica through the Great Wall brand.
Great Wall brand. So when you buy a car, Dennis, at this time, $100,000 from every purchase goes toward the Richard and
Yes.
Diana Foundation,
Yes, yes,
which
yes,
is helping
yes.
with hurricane relief. And as you know, we partnered. They partnered with me as well
Yeah.
on my effort, which we did in Westmoreland,
the
and
key
we're
fob
going
too.
back. I think the key look nice.
Key
Very
fob is
stylish.
Yeah.
Very new for the
stylish.
facelift as well.
Oh,
Yes.
okay.
Yeah, it's
And
a
guess
buzz.
what?
Like
Guess
the
what?
shape go, the key shape go.
And we like things that shape.
Yeah.
6 years warranty.
Oh.
6 years, 150,000 kilometers of warranty, and 3 years service warranty. So we are committed to staying with you for the
Did
long
you say
haul.
6 years?
6 years. 6.
6 years warranty.
On all our vehicles, the Havals, or tanks, or pickups.
So by the
6
time,
years.
even if after 3 years you see a new thing, a new one come in, and you want to, and you'd like to
Upgrade.
upgrade,
So that
your
is-
warranty don't even finish by the time you're ready to
So that
upgrade.
is why we're building our big showroom. Because we want you to have a space to trade in, to make sure that you, when you're ready to move from your Haval Jolian to your Haval 86 GT, you can move from your GT to your Tank 500, and you can move from your Tank 500 to your off-road P-Series or your plug-in hybrid pickup. We are a brand for everybody.
Is it good on gas?
For which one?
The tank.
All our units are good on gas. The Tank 500 is an HEV, and the HEV is a dual engine to give it that power. And you know, based on who you see driving, you know how
The
how
power.
powerful.
What a tank that. Oh my God.
Our King's Council.
Ah!
I love it.
What color? What
Christmas
color?
gift.
What color?
For you,
Yeah.
champagne gold, titanium silver,
God.
black with peanut butter interior.
Father God.
I black me with that though.
No, the peanut butter interior.
Peanut butter
Yeah,
interior.
man.
We'll be in touch.
We'll be in touch.
So everything.
Dennis, they said the tank mad.
Yeah. And our
But the
Haval-
86?
Yes.
Have a buzz a while ago.
Buzzy.
That's something where
Yeah.
Park.
The shit. Yeah.
The
I'm
gear
like-
shifter.
Well, if any lady or any man that gets this for Christmas will not be saying, "Oh, thanks."
Oh,
Yeah.
That one of them. What? Oh my God! Oh my God! Yay!
No, one of them 9
Hey.
months later.
Yeah, but 9 months.
Nine,
tell you.
9 months later.
yeah, man.
With an
Tell me about
automatic
it.
tailgate, when they pull up to the supermarket, you don't have to come out. You can just press a button, your trunk open,
With the kick function.
kick function, full up, you know?
You don't know that.
What's the
You don't know that
Kick
style?
function. You know kick function. Watch
no,
this.
what's
Watch
the
this. Hold on.
function?
Hold on. When you come with your groceries,
Yeah.
so your hand full.
Bam.
That is it.
Hi,
Or-
Lacey.
Or you're taking out something. You're taking out something. Look, are your hands full? And you just.
That is what you know.
You know the
know
things
that.
them.
You know that.
You
Him
know the
used to
things
good
them.
life. Him used to good life.
Okay, I'll be coming down there. It's a good thing I'm with the Stewart's family from a long
I
time.
get a kick out of you. Hey.
Wow, that's
sir.
awesome.
Yeah.
Titania, Jason,
Thank you, guys.
this is
Come on,
hot.
boys.
Well, follow us on our
Facelift
social
of our
media
boys.
page. We have an active website. Jason, give them your shameless plug.
Yes. So Jason, you can find me on Instagram at JasonSellsGWM.
Yeah.
Or you can call me anytime at 295-7440. I don't stop working. So call me anytime.
That may or may
right.
not be a manager problem. But
I love it, guys.
you for having us.
So, guys, if you're thinking about a gift, ladies, you know, we have to step up the thing, because the big boss, them can't, you understand? We have to step up our thing, too. Man,
Tank, 15 mil.
not bad.
Not bad.
Not
Not bad. Guess what? Thank you very much to Tanya Clark and
Thank
Jason
you.
Williams for
you, guys.
giving us the inside lane on all things GWM. After the break, we're going to go to our diaspora link up, taking flight.
Literally.
We'll be right back.
Don't want to miss it.